Hello everyone, I am Mrudula and today's topic is related with the human anatomy and physiology, and the name of the topic is the body cavity. So body cavities provide housing and protection for the vital organs, and they are divided into two categories. First one is the dorsal body cavity and second is the ventral body cavity. Now we see the dorsal body cavity. So dorsal body cavity located along the dorsal, that is posterior surface of the human body. These are bones of the cranium portion of the skull and the vertebral column. Divided into dorsal body cavity is again divided into two parts, that is the cranial cavity which contains the brain, and the second is the spinal portion which contains the spinal cord, which is an extension of the brain. The cranial cavity is the space inside the bony skull. It protects the brain. Eight fused cranial bones together form the cranial cavity. The frontal, occipital, sphenoid and ethmoid bones, and to each of the parietal and temporal bones. The capacity of an adult human cranial cavity is 1200 to 1700 centimeter cube. Second is the spinal cavity. So spinal cavity is also known as the vertebral canal cavity, and it is the space in vertebra through which the spinal cord passes. This canal is enclosed within the vertebra foramen and the vertebrae foramen of the vertebrae. Now the second category is the ventral body cavity. So ventral body cavity is much larger than that of the dorsal cavity. It contains all the structure within the chest and abdomen, that is the visceral organs. Anterior surface of torso. It is divided by diaphragm muscle into upper thoracic cavity and the abdominopelvic cavity. Now we see the thoracic cavity. So it is separated from the rest by a dome-shaped muscle, the diaphragm. Organs found in thoracic cavity are the chest, which contains the trachea, bronchi, lungs, esophagus, heart, and great blood vessels, thymus gland, lymph nodes, and the nerves. Contains smaller cavities too. Pleural cavities surround each lung. Then pericardial cavity contains the heart, and the pleural cavity surrounds both the pleural and the pericardial cavities. Then the mediastinum, it separates the lungs into the right and left cavities in the thoracic cavity. It is an undesignated group of structures in the thorax surrounded by loose connective tissue. It contains the heart, the great vessels of the heart, the esophagus, the trachea, the phrenic nerve, the cardiac nerve, the thoracic duct, the thymus, and the lymph nodes of the central chest. Now the second is the abdominopelvic cavity. It is a body cavity that consists of the abdominal cavity and the pelvic cavity. It contains the stomach, liver, spleen, gallbladder, kidneys, and most of the small and large intestine. It also contains urinary bladder and internal reproductive organs. Imaginary line that runs across hip bones divides the body into the abdominal and the pelvic cavity. The abdominopelvic cavity is divided into two parts, that is the abdominal cavity and the second is the pelvic cavity. The abdominal cavity is the largest body cavity of the human body, and the pelvic cavity contains colon, rectum, urinary bladder, and the uterus in females. There are 9 quadrants are present in the body cavity. They are umbilical region, then epigastric region, hypogastric region, right iliac region, then left iliac region, right lumbar region, left lumbar region, then right hypochondriac region and the left hypochondriac region. Umbilical region is the centermost region, deep to add the surrounding the umbilicus. The region of the abdomen contains part of the stomach, the head of the pancreas, the duodenum, a section of the transverse colon, and lower aspects of the left and the right kidney. The epigastric region is located superior to the umbilical region, which means the above the stomach, and it is the upper central region of the abdomen. Hypogastric region is the inferior to the umbilical region, relating to the lower median region of the abdomen. Then right and left iliac or inguinal region is a passage in the anterior abdominal wall, which in men conveys this spermatic cord, and in women the round ligament. The inguinal canal is larger and more prominent in men. Each person has two on the left and right side of abdomen, and they are lateral to the hypogastric region. The right and left lumbar regions lie lateral to the umbilical region. The lumbar region is sometimes referred to as the lower spine or as an area of the back in its proximity region of the back lying lateral to the lumbar vertebrae. The right and left hypochondriac regions is the upper part of the abdomen dorsal to the lower ribs of the thorax. The word derives from Greek hypochondros meaning abdomen or literally under cartilage. The body organs that are on the left hypochondriac region are liver, left kidney, spleen, parts of the large and small intestine, and pancreas. The hypochondriac region covers part of the abdomen in the upper zone of both sides of the epigastric region and beneath the cartilage of the lower limbs.